If you clicked this video, then that means you're looking for essential oils to have on hand, or essential oils that you need to make, you know, one of the most popular body butters or lotion, eczema body butter. You're like, all these essential oils are out, which one should I use? Which one can help me get the desired results that I'm looking for in my body butter? If that's what you're looking for, then keep watching, because we're going to go over my top essential oils that I keep on hand for my eczema body butter, my best-selling product in the skincare business. It's not just going to be all the usual ones. I'm going to add a few in there to kind of spice it up a bit. Let's go. Let's begin with one that you probably don't know. We're going to begin with ones that you don't know to the ones that you already know. So my first one, my top pick, can't live without, put it in all of my eczema creations. Every single eczema butter that I've ever created had this in it, gets me the desired result, and got me a lot of reviews from customers. Number one, frankincense essential oil. This essential oil, like, it was when I was creating the eczema butter, I was doing research, and you know, everybody's like, you know, the regular ones that everybody talk about. I was like, I need something different, something to add to it to give me the result that I was looking for. Let me tell you, frankincense essential oil is that product. It is the essential oil that you want to use. Like, you want to add that to your eczema butter. And we all know I always talk about synergy, so it's like, usually we have all these essential oils, but it's finding the essential oil that works well with another one in order to create that synergy that will give you that result that you're looking for in your product. Frankincense is the first one. What we're gonna put it with is carrot seed essential oil. Carrot seed essential oil is an oil that I never expected to do what it did in my products. Like, I didn't think this is eczema. Like, when I heard about carrot seed essential oil, I always think, you know, for face, because, you know, it said it's good for dark spots. But I didn't think that adding carrot seed essential oil with my frankincense inside my eczema body butter will give me the results that I'm looking for, right? It helped literally. Carrot seed essential oil is especially great in the eczema butter where you have people or children with raised skin, which is highly irritated skin due to, you know, dryness or itchiness. It helps to reduce that. So I put frankincense, carrot seed. Those are my top, literally my top essential oils that I will never go without inside my eczema body butter. So if you're looking to make some, grab those two. The next essential oil that we want to go ahead and consider. So this essential oil, I don't put it in with my frankincense and carrot seed essential oil all the time, but I made a body butter that gave me the result by adding this to it as well, and my customers loved it. Lemongrass. However, lemongrass has a very, from the ones I've used, the scent strong. To show you how strong it was when I created lemongrass, you know, the body butter with lemongrass, I immediately just turned it into a lemongrass body butter. I didn't even scent it, the way it's strong. Once you add that in your body butter, that's it. Like, you can't change the scent of it. You can't, it just, unless you might can add some fragrance in it, but boy, it's strong. So keep that in mind. That's why I don't use it as much, but I'm putting it in here to know and say, hey, if you want, that's a product, your lemongrass, you can add that to it as well. So those are the three, and I don't think a lot of people count those three in eczema body butters. That's why I'm pointing these three out to you. So now to go on to the ones that we will probably hear all the time, but you cannot go without. Like my favorite, lavender essential oil. Let me tell you, lavender essential oil is everything that is cracked up to be. Okay, it is, you know, it is, I'm going to put the botanical name here for it, and it is a really good oil, essential oil. I use it in every product I've ever made, but I also add it in my eczema butter. I don't put a lot because I don't want the scent to be too strong, and when I make eczema butters, it is unscented and it takes the scent off the mixture of the essential oil and the butters that I put in it. So I kind of have, but I like for it to take the scent of the butters more than the essential oils, but you know, they all work together. Lavender essential oil was a really good addition to it. Like, lavender essential oil was, yeah, it's that guy. Also, what I wanted to point out is that when I just started making lavender, when I just started making my eczema butter, I would get lavender buds, make infused oil with lavender buds. So get, you know, your oil, maybe I used hemp seed oil, infuse it with lavender buds. Sweetheart, that oil will do what you need it to do. My next oil I want to add is, of course, tea tree oil. That is something that everyone knows, but I add it in there as well, you know, just to add a little more spruce to it. But I will say this, you can make an eczema body butter with just the first two I mentioned and get the result that you're looking for. Now onto the butters that I use. One of the main butters that I've used in my eczema body butter is cocoa butter, right? The reason why I use cocoa butter is because a lot of people with eczema suffer from dry, flaky, itchy skin. Cocoa butter gives you a very deep sense of moisture on your skin, so it was only right for me to add cocoa butter inside of it. We already know what shea butter does, we already know it does what it's supposed to do, so you can go with it alone, but I opt to add both the shea butter and the cocoa butter to get that nice deep moisture from it while mixing in my essential oils. And then I'll also add my carrier oil. One of the main carrier oils that you see for eczema is hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is really good for an eczema butter. It has really great properties. It is also not too thick, not too light, right? So it works with the cocoa butter, and that helps with dry, flaky, irritated skin. I also added in the beginning, in addition to that, I used to use coconut oil, but not a lot of coconut oil. The coconut oil was just like a lower percentage than the rest of the oils. Combining all those ingredients together gave me a very nice textured butter that was great for eczema. Nice textured eczema butter. The point of this video was to show you all my top ingredients that I use that you can probably use as well, and you can take out and put in what you want, but this is just a suggestion to help you when creating your next eczema butter in the future. And this is a butter that I used to sell as well. So if this helps you at all, please let me know. If you have any question, you know, drop questions, you can drop it down below. Quick disclaimer, guys. I just want you to know that these 5 essential oils that I'm listing, I don't expect you to put them all together at once. And if you do so, please do so safely. Use a low percentage and do your skin patch test before you actually put this on the market. What I do expect for you to do is pick 3 of them, put them together, combine them, and still also test them before you put them on the market. Putting too much essential oils together can be very potent. If you put too much in there, it might not be the best choice for the product that you're creating. Also, it can conflict with certain scents that you're putting into your body butter or your formulation that you're creating. So as a result, start off small, do your test, and also do your skin patch test to make sure it's giving you the results that you're looking for. So if you liked watching this, you can go ahead and watch on one of my videos about, you know, the types of butters that I like to put in body butters. So if that's something that you're interested, keep watching. I don't know if you guys already know, but I sell digital skincare business downloads, from thank you cards to Instagram story highlights. I do have a Print My Brain session as well, and an e-guide as well to start your own skincare business on a budget. If you're interested in that, click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, then you may enjoy one of my other videos about how to make a simple whipped body butter, or just go ahead and watch my playlist on how to start your skincare business on a budget, and a lot of other informational tips and tricks as well. Thanks again, like and share.